Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So today we have some good news. Mavado's son is free after the conviction overturned. So in the article it said Dante Brooks, the son of dancehall star Mavado, has been freed after the Court of Appeal on Friday overturned his conviction for the 2018 murder of Lorenzo Thomas. His co-accused Andre Hines is also being free. Brooks and Hines were given life sentences in 2021. Right now, Mavado's supposed to feel on top of the world, me I tell you. You see it? You think a little bit of stress, Mavado stress over Dante? You can see it in the boss face. Even the other day, all him could do is put up a picture and say, "Love you, son." You get me, I say? But me not lie. Dante, you learn your lesson. Because on a little bit of investment your father put in you. Remember, you know, Mavado left from the slums of Cassava Peace and go all the way up in a Narbrooks them place, the Billy Mansion, and tell us if you come. And guess what? You never did want to go. You see it because what? A badness you did a pray at the time. But I'm glad you get a second chance because I think everybody deserve a second chance. You have to remember say Dante even go prison, go back up on Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel they talk about it a lot and express how he felt. They see him and Mavado son share the same prison. But nothing beat time and God. You see it, Kartel even expressed on the Instagram story. As soon as he get the news, he post up the article and say, "Yo, God is the greatest. Hashtag second chances. Hashtag love," with Mavado song playing at the background. People still are gonna have them judgment for say, cause you must say, "Yo, you're probably, you know, the way you're doing at 2021, but who are they?" So I'm glad you're free, get a second chance at life. You're still young, you know, you just have to do the right thing from now on and make your father proud. Hopefully you can find a way to get your foot and then, you know, everything can be good. So freedom for your murder conviction overturned for Dante Brooks.
Excuse me, kind sir. Hey man, I love that AP.
No, don't do
Oh,
it.
all right, okay, what are you rocking today? Let me see. Oh, I'm gonna get the best deal on anything you need.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Hold on, but what do you do for a living?
Music, you don't know, Golly God.
Music? How do we find your music?
Just go on Apple Music,
And
type in Golly God, follow my Instagram.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out. What's your best advice for people starting out?
Just be persistent in whatever you're doing.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, man. God bless. We'll be in touch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hook you up.
All right.
You're the band.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I love this place. Amiri, band.